how to connect Pixelverse Dashboard to Bybit. Hey guys, in this video, I am going to show you how you can connect Pixelverse Dashboard to Bybit. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. So the first thing that you want to do is open up the Pixel tab by using Telegram app on your mobile and make sure the app is updated to the latest version available and you will be redirected to this page. After that, click on the Connect Wallet button. Over here, you will see a list of wallets. Select the Bybit wallet. After that, go to your Bybit account and navigate to the Assets section. Then click on Deposits, choose Deposit Crypto and search for USDT. Next, select the ERC20 option to generate your wallet address. Once you have the wallet address, copy it and paste it back into the Pixel dashboard. Finally, click Made It and your wallet will be successfully connected. So that's how you can connect Pixelverse Dashboard to Bybit. That's all for this video.